The number of pounds of waste generated per person per year varies greatly among countries around the world. Use the following pictograph to answer this exercise. We are asked, in which countries does each person generate more than 1,500 pounds of waste per year? To answer this question, we first start by looking at the key, which tells us that each symbol represents 100 pounds. 1,500 pounds is 15 hundreds, which means we're looking for countries that have more than 15 symbols. Each column can have 10 symbols in it, so we want a country that has a column of 10 and in the second column more than 5. In Australia, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, which is exactly 15, so we need something with more than Australia. Canada has fewer, Japan has fewer, Mexico has fewer. Norway has 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 symbols, so that represents 1,800 pounds, so Norway would be one answer. Spain has 13 symbols, which would be 1,300 pounds. The United States has 17 symbols, so that is 1,700 pounds. That's more than 1,500 pounds of waste per year. So the United States is another country in which each person generates more than 1,500 pounds of waste per year.